In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register your hotel on Booking.com. This process covers everything from setting up your account to your property going live, ensuring you're ready to welcome guests from around the globe. Let's start by creating your Booking.com partner account. To begin, head over to the Booking.com partner portal, which is your hub for managing your property listings. Once there, look for the option that says List Your Property. Clicking on this will initiate the registration process. You'll need to enter a valid email address and then create a secure password for your account. It's important to choose a strong password to protect your information. Next, provide your name and phone number. This step is essential as Booking.com uses it to verify your identity and ensure smooth communication. When you're done, click Create Account to move forward to the next step. Now, with your account ready, it's time to add your property details. Upon logging into your new account, you'll notice an option to Add Your Property. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of property you're listing. Whether you run a hotel, a cozy guest house, or a charming B&B, pick the category that best fits your business. Next, enter your property's name and its exact location. Precision here is key, so potential guests can easily find you. You will then specify the number of rooms you have, along with the types of accommodations available. It's also important to highlight the amenities and facilities that your guests can enjoy during their stay. Whether it's free Wi-Fi, a swimming pool, or a breakfast buffet, listing these features will attract more visitors. Don't forget to set your property's policies, including check-in and check-out times, cancellation policies, and any specific house rules you might have. With the basic structure in place, let's move on to pricing and availability. Enter your standard room rates, paying attention to how these might fluctuate during different seasons or special events. Crafting a dynamic pricing strategy, like offering discounts for early bookings, can give you a competitive edge. Setting up your availability calendar is crucial to managing reservations and avoiding the dreaded overbooking scenario. Make sure it's up to date and reflects your room inventory accurately. A picture is worth 1,000 words, so let's make those images count. Upload high-quality photos of your property, covering both the interior and exterior spaces. Well-lit and attractive photos of rooms, amenities, and common areas will capture guests' attention and enhance your listing's appeal. Aim to highlight what makes your property unique. Verification is the next step. Booking.com may require you to verify your property to ensure everything is in order. Simply follow the instructions provided to complete this process efficiently. Once everything is verified and in place, you're ready to go live. Click the option to Open your property to get reservations, and just like that, your property will be available on Booking.com, poised to welcome bookings from travelers around the world. And there you have it. From setting up your partner account to going live, you've successfully registered your hotel on Booking.com.